Within Purple Mash, you have access to a huge range of cross-curricular resources to use with your learners to help engage, motivate and inspire them. And this Mash Bite will focus specifically on non-fiction content, providing you with information on where to find, use and how to adapt and share children's learning within this area of the curriculum. You'll find within the reading area on Purple Mash, you have access to our Dorling Kindersley books. We've partnered with Dorling Kindersley to provide a library of rich non-fiction books that help support the areas of the curriculum for science, history and geography. Within this library of non-fiction books, you'll find Dorling Kindersley texts all filled with bright, engaging visual content and informative technical vocabulary to help children understand the key information needed for their topic. Each book is accessible as a PDF, which can be downloaded and printed out for reading offline. Alternatively, they can be set as to do for children to access either in school or at home. We recommend that if you would like your children to use markup to make annotations or notes on the PDFs, click and access the bottom option, which will allow children to be able to launch the PDF in annotator mode. Then it can be set as a normal to do as usual. You'll find that each Dorling Kindersley text within this area comes with a bank of ready-made resources for you to utilise. These all include online and printable quizzes to help assess the children's understanding of the text, as well as a bank of writing templates for them to help demonstrate the facts they've learned from each book, as well as any additional cross-curricular resource that matches the content. These range from quizzes to art activities and mash cams. There's plenty of opportunities for children to interact with different activity styles to suit their interest. As with all content in Purple Mash, should you wish, you can edit the activity to suit the needs of your learners. If it's a quiz you want to use but adapt the level of challenge, simply launch the quiz and then select the edit option. Doing this allows you to firstly view the questions. You can remove any that are not appropriate, you can add your own, and should you wish, you can change the complexity of the options. For example, here, if you want to simplify it and remove some of the multiple choice options, you can delete a few of them so the children will just have to choose between two. It's key to note, if you do make any changes, you will need to save your version before you can share it with your children. Clicking on the share option will prompt you to save it. And now you have a host of opportunities in which you may wish to share with your children, for example, as to do or by sharing it via a QR code or web link. For any writing templates you wish to adapt, it's simply a case of launching the activity, just like a quiz. And this time, any writing activity will automatically have you in teacher mode. When you're in teacher mode, you can make changes. For example, you can remove elements, you can add your own. If, for example, in this instance, I wanted to add the images, the children could only think about adding the text. I can just make any edits that I would like to whilst I'm in the teacher mode. And then once I've saved this, I can then give it to the children as a to-do. Bear in mind again that you will just need to click on the share icon at the top and it will prompt you to save your version. In addition to the non-fiction Dorling Kindersley texts we have within Purple Mash, if your school subscribes to Serial Mash, you'll also have an additional library of books for you to share with the children. By accessing the Serial Mash library area, you can click on the DK Learning option, and this will allow you to access the various geography, history and science texts that you might want to explore with your children. Just like you may be already familiar with, you can schedule the text to be read at a time that suits you, and you can read collectively together on a shared screen should you wish. This is a great way for children to interact with the fantastic immersive images and content and vocabulary that children will need to learn these different areas of the curriculum. We hope this Mash Bite has been useful and has given you some ideas as to how you may wish to explore non-fiction texts with your learners. As is always the case, if you wish to require any further support or would like any advice on how to use non-fiction text with your learners, you can book a mass chat by clicking on the Teachers area, access the Professional Development tab at the top, and then click Mass Chats. This will allow you to book a free phone call or Teams meeting with one of our CPD team, and will give you advice and support as necessary. Please feel free to share this option with any colleagues who you feel it might benefit too.